So in this Alight Motion tutorial, I will be showing you how to rotate a video here in Alight Motion. So if I were to play my video right here, as you can tell, it's very normal speed. If I were to zoom out a little bit, as you can tell, there's no way to actually do this by selecting it. So instead, you have the video selected. Then go down to the bottom left where it says Move and Transform. Then on the right hand side, I want you to go to where there's right below the second option right here to where there's the angle here. Then you can go ahead and rotate it however many degrees you want. So if you wanted to rotate it, upside down, you can go ahead and do that. If you wanted to, do it this direction, you can do that. Whatever you want to do, you can basically play around this way. And if it looks good, you can play the video and it'll be whatever angle you've rotated it to. So that's how you guys can rotate a video here in Alight Motion. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.